Good morning kids, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. I am Anju KP from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in previous class as you have learnt about uppercase letter G, so today we are going to do an activity on uppercase letter G. Okay, so before starting the activity, let us revise uppercase letter G on board with the help of these pictures. Okay, so kids, what is this? This is a girl. What is this? This is a girl. G for girl. What is this? This is a gun. What is this? This is a gun. G for gun. What are these? These are grapes. What are these? These are grapes. G for grapes. What is this? This is a giraffe. What is this? This is giraffe. G for giraffe. What is this? This is a goat. What is this? This is a goat. G for goat. So let's start the activity. Okay. So kids, what is this? This is uppercase letter G. Okay. Now paste it like this. Okay. Okay. Now kids, what is this? This is a face of a giraffe. Paste it like this. Okay. Now kids, what are these? These are eyes of a giraffe. Paste it like this. Okay. Now, what are these? These are ears of a giraffe. Paste it like this. Okay. What are these? These are hairy horns of a giraffe. Now paste it like this. Okay. What is this? This is hair. What is this? This is hair of a giraffe. Paste it like this. Okay. What are these? These are nose of a giraffe. Paste it like this. What is this? This is a mouth of a giraffe. Paste it like this. Now, what are these? These are spots of a giraffe. So, paste it like this. Okay kids, like this. Like this, okay. Paste it everywhere. Like this. Okay kids, I hope you are enjoying this activity. So kids, what is this? This is G for giraffe. What is this? G for giraffe. I hope you enjoy this activity. Have a good day. Bye bye.